Affinity Photo, newly added features. These features are available on Affinity Photo latest update, version 2.3. To check your Affinity Photo version, here, go to Help, About and check your version. This is the latest update, version 2.3. Now to set a PDF password lock, go to the above menu, File, Export. Here, the export setting changed to PDF format. Scroll down and check Required Password to open. Then on Open Password box, enter your password and export your work as a PDF with password protection. Now here, double-click to open your PDF and enter your password. If you entered incorrectly, then this PDF will not open. Like this, you can secure your confidential work, project, or any PDF document with a password lock, and only the person who has the password to access this PDF can open it. And that's it. I hope you find this short video useful. Thanks for watching.